All right, the Pixel 4a has arrived. Hey everyone, this is Jojo the Techie, and here we have the Pixel 4a. I just purchased this for my husband, and I am setting it up and unboxing it. So I'm removing these little tabs. Let's see. Here we go. All right. I am just loving this green accent color on the power button and the matte black color on the phone. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, let's put that aside. All right, here is the baby, the beauty. All right, let's go ahead and, hmm, very nice. Got some plastic there. Let's put it aside. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Okay, looks like it brings the usual quick start guide. And definitely the SIM removal tool, which I am definitely going to need since I will be inserting a SIM from a different phone, an iPhone in this case. Also, it comes with, looks like an 18-watt, let's see, yep, USB-C power brick. Very handy. We will need that. Let's put that aside. I see a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging. Okay. And oh, this is the quick switch adapter, which is what we're going to use to transfer the information from the iPhone over to this new Pixel. It's just a little bit tight in there and hard to take out, but let's see what we can do to get it out. There you go. It's out. Okay, so we're going to be using that and we're going to be setting it aside. All right, great. Okay, so we're just going to set aside all the boxing materials, and we're going to get started with looking at the phone. So this is the phone. It comes with the wrapping in the front. Looks like it doesn't bring one in the back, and already I see how my fingerprints are showing in this matte black color. Let's remove the wrapping. I love the display. It looks like it's very dark. I'm loving the look. Okay, there's that beautiful green mint power button. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Google logo and this hole punch selfie camera. Very modern looking, unlike my Pixel 4, which right now has the huge bezel at the top. So can't wait to see the new Pixel 5, see if it has the same hole punch. And I will most likely be upgrading myself as well. Okay, let's see. Takes a little bit long to start up. And here we go. Nice, very colorful. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so it's asking me to connect to mobile networks. I'm not going to do that just yet, so I'm going to skip it. Now I need to connect to Wi-Fi, so I'm going to go and plug it in to my Wi-Fi. Now we're checking for updates. Looks like it's installing the updates as we speak. This part, I'm always very impatient during this part because I'm dying to play with the phone. But we're installing updates. But I guess that's better than having a phone that doesn't get updates. Okay, so it's giving me the option to use my old phone to transfer all my apps and my data. And like I mentioned before, we are switching from an iPhone. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I have to plug it in using that little quick switch adapter and a lightning cable. Um, so directly from the Pixel to the iPhone so that we can transfer over the information. Okay, so we've already connected the iPhone with the Pixel. So at this point, it's just checking to see what it needs to transfer. While we wait, wanted to remind you to click like, subscribe, and the bell so that you can get notified whenever I post new content. All right, so let's put the iPhone side by side with the Pixel. Let's see what are the next steps. We're just going to go ahead and hit next, and it's checking the info. This iPhone, oh, okay, I got to sign in with my Google account, so hang tight. Okay, already signed in. All good to go. It's checked to see what I need to transfer, so it's giving me options on whether I want to transfer all these items to the new phone. Apps, contacts, photos, videos, etc. So I'm just going to go through that and see what I want to choose. All right, we're going to go ahead. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and copy. And then now it tells me the apps that I guess it detects that are also available on Android. And now it's basically copying over, getting my account info. Just accepting the terms, legal terms, and setting my PIN for the screen unlock. Okay, now I need to set up the fingerprint reader. So we have the fingerprint reader in the back. It's a little bit higher than it was for the Pixel 3, so I'm having a little bit of a hard time finding it. All right, I think I got it. Okay, we got it. Right. Again. Oh my God, can't find it in the back. All right, we got it. All right, so we added a fingerprint and basically it's just prompted me to continue the setup. Okay, it's asking me to set up my Google Assistant, but I've already set up the, yep, it's already recognizing my voice, so I can continue. And it's telling me that I've done a good job. So let's just go ahead and continue. Okay, at this point, I'm not interested in setting Google Pay, so we're going to skip that. Anything else? No thanks. More tips and tricks. Let's keep going. And now it's going to copy. Okay, so it looks like it just copied a few things over. Some things did fail. It's warning me about iMessages since I'm transferring over from an iPhone. So I need to make sure I go ahead and disable iMessage. So I'm going to click OK. And it's now adding the finishing touches. Okay, looks like it's just giving me now a tour on how to use the new gesture navigation, which I'm pretty familiar with. So we're going to just run through these real quick. And I am all set. So that's it for the unboxing. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.